Hey y'all, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. I hope your day is blessed. Happy Sunday. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you make yourself some of that tea. My girlfriend's always laughing at me about my tea. But you know what? My skin is glowing. My body's still moving. Mm-hmm. Talk about my tea. Because, well, she don't like clothes. You can do it without clothes if you want to. But anyway, see the other video. Be sure you have some tea. Get your tea, girls. Drink your spiritual tea. Drink your tea. And that's with or without THC. We're going to have a conversation about that too. Because y'all been smoking it wrong. Yes. Going to talk about that. How, if you're going to smoke, make it a ceremony and smoke it correctly. Okay. Talk to y'all soon. Oh, and if you haven't done so, be sure you subscribe because we are going to be starting the alchemy writing classes for the fall, winter. Oh, y'all better get ready. Yeah, this is going to be explosive. Never been done before.